Today topic is precedent rules and associativity, typecasting and type conversion. First one is precedence and associativity rules which are necessary for the deterministic involution of expression. Here are the some of the rules. First of all, what is the operator precedence means? It determines the order in which the operators in an expression are evaluated. Here are the rules. That is, the operators are shown with decreasing precedence from top of the table. Operators with the same row have the same precedence. And next one, parentheses can be used to override the precedence and associativity. The urinary operator, which requires one operand, include the postfix increment and decrement operators, which require one operand in first row. All the prefix operators in the second row, it will require the two operands. And next one is object creation operator, which requires to be in the third row. The conditional operator, that is to require, it requires the three operands. Next one is the all operators not listed above as urinary or ternary or binary, that is they requires only two operands. In this we have to evaluate the order of operand. Evaluation means it determines the operands and operators are evaluated from left to right. In this, we have seen the evaluation order which influence the result returned by an operator. Next one is, except for urinary, prefix, postfix increment and decrement operators, all urinary, all assignment and all ternary conditional operators associate from right to left. Precedent rules are used to determine which operator should be applied first if there are any two operators with different precedence and follow each other in the expression. In such a case, the operator with the highest precedence is applied first. Here we take 2 plus 3 star 4 is evaluated as 2 plus open parenthesis 3 star 4 closed parenthesis. We have a result 14. Here the star has the highest precedence, means it will be evaluated first. Associativity rules are used to determine which operator should be evaluated first, and if there are two operators with the same precedence and these will follow each other in the expression. Associativity of operators in Java means if an expression have two operators with similar precedence, then expression is evaluated according to the associativity either from left to right or from right to left. Here the two operators which share the same operators with the same precedence will have share the highest precedence. Next one is the table which shown the operator and its description and its level and associativity. First one is square brackets, means which access array elements. Next one is dot operator, which access the object member. Next one bracket means which invoke a method. Post increment plus plus, post decrement minus minus, level is 1 and associativity is left to right. Next one is pre increment, pre decrement and urinary plus, urinary minus, logical not and bitwise not. Here the level is 2 and its associativity from right to left. Next one is bracket, means here we use new operator to cast the object creation. Level is 3, right to left. Next one is star, hash and modulo. It is used as a multiplicative. Level is 4, its association left to right. Next one plus, minus and plus. It used as a additive and string concatenation. Level is 5 and associativity left to right. Next one is shift operator, which we use left shift and right shift. Its level is 6 and it's from left to right association. Next one is relational type comparison, means we use greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Here the association is right, left to right and 7th level. Next one is equality. Here the equality means we use equal to and not equal to. Level is 8 and its association is left to right. Let us see an example with equal and with associativity. a equal to b equal to c. Here c is assigned to b variable and then b is assigned to a variable. Here, because of the associativity of the operator from left to right, we use this as a c is assigned to b variable and b is assigned to a variable. Because of the associativity, we use this equal operator as shown in the figure from left to right. Next one is AND, means bitwise AND with level 9 left to right, and bitwise OR with level 10 left to right, and bitwise OR with level 11 left to right. Next one is conditional AND or logical AND, that one is level 12 and left to right. Next one is conditional or logical or, 13th level with left to right. Next one is conditional, we use question mark and this one, and 14th level right to left. Here we use assignment. We use this assignment as assignment sum, means assign sum, assign difference, assign product, assign remainder, assign coefficient, assign bitwise AND, assign bitwise OR, assign left shift, assign right shift, assign bitwise OR. We use this assignment as 15th level with right to left associativity. In this precedent rules and associativity, we have shown this different levels with 15, and those operators and associativity will be used according to the precedent rules and associativity rules which we have shown before. These operator precedence and associativity means it determines the order in which the operations will be performed in an expression, and which we use associativity. Next one is Java data type casting and conversion. By the end of this tutorial, Java data type casting type conversion will be known comfortably with converting one data type to another data type either explicitly or implicitly. Java supports two types of casting: primitive data type casting and reference data type casting. Reference data type is nothing but assigning Java object to another object. It comes with very strict rules and is explained clearly in object casting. Now let us go for data type casting. Java data type casting comes with three flavors: implicit casting, explicit casting, Boolean casting. Now we have seen the type casting, which is divided into two types: primitive data type casting and reference casting. Here the primitive data type casting means converting from one data type to another data type. Here the reference type casting means here the one object is assigned to another object, which we have three flavors, that is implicit, explicit and Boolean. In primitive data type casting, we use implicitly or explicitly by converting this one data type to another data type. Next one is what is implicit casting. The first one is implicit casting, which is used as a widening conversion. A data type of lower size means which occupy less memory is assigned to a data type of larger size. This is done implicitly by the JVM. The lower size is widened to higher size. This is also named as automatic type conversion. Example: int x equal to 10, which occupies 4 bytes, double y equal to x, which occupy 8 bytes. System.out.println means prints 10.0. In the above code, 4 bytes integer value is assigned to 8 bytes double value. In this type, we can convert implicit casting with which will be int will be assigned to the double value. And next one is explicit casting. It is also known as narrowing conversion, means a data type of higher size which occupy more memory cannot be assigned to a data type of lower size. This is not done implicitly by the JVM. It requires explicit casting, a casting operation to be performed by the programmer. The higher size is narrowed to lower size. For example, if we take double x equal to 10.5, which take 8 bytes, and int y equal to 4, which take int y equal to x, which take 4 bytes, raises a compilation error. In the above code, 8 bytes double value is narrowed to 4 bytes in its int value. It raises also error. Let us explicitly typecast it. Means double x equal to 10.5 into y equal to int x. It will be explicitly casted into. Next one is boolean value. Here the boolean value cannot be assigned to any other data type except boolean. All the remaining 7 data types can be assigned to another data type either by implicitly or explicitly, but the boolean cannot. We say boolean is incompatible for conversion. Maximum we assign a boolean value to another boolean. For example, boolean x equal to true. Int y equal to x means boolean x equal to true. Here the error will be raised because we can assign one boolean value to another boolean value only. It will not use any other data type. For example, byte used to short, and next one int, next one long, float, tuple. In the above statement, left to right can be assigned implicitly or right to left requires explicit. This can be converted short implicitly. Thank you.